Yo, welcome to the cyber zone, where not all hackers sit on the throne. Some guard the gates, some blur the lines, some breaking deep like it's game time. White, gray, black, choose your hat. NepHack's gonna show where each one's at.
I wear white like light, I fight what's wrong. Defend the net where the threats are strong. Pen test master, I break the bills. Secure your system with zero kill. Patch the flaws, encrypt the doors. I guard your data like it's top floor stores. Call me legal, call me wise. I'm the silent force that neutralize. Firewalls up, scanners live. I simulate hacks so you survive. White hat on the codes night. Working with law, bringing truth to light. I walk the line like dusk at dawn. Neither hero nor full on con. Explore the cracks, I test the locks, but never leave behind ticking clocks. If I find a hole, might shout or stay. Depends on the vibe, the time, the day. Won't steal, but I'll peep the flaws. Expose the glitch without the claws. I ain't evil, I ain't clean. Gray hat ghost in the cyber scene. Not in court, not in chains, just dancing between the ethical lanes.
I'll wear the night like a second skin. Slide through code with a deadly grin. Malware ready, Trojans placed. Bank logins gone without a trace. I don't ask, I just take. Crypto lock your world, make it break. Sell your daddy, crash your net. You won't know till it's deep and dead. I'm the shadow in your stream, the breach behind your firewall dream. Black hat crown with zero grace, infiltrating every digital space.
Had a white for peace, gray for the gray. Black brings storms in a silent way. Pick your hat, pick your code. Welcome to the cyber mode.
Let rules or chaos play. Which mask you wear every day.
NepHack speaks, truth or trap.
This is the three hats rap.
Now you've seen the path they take. White builds strong, black likes to break.
Gray,
Well, he's tough to define, kinda like shadows at the boundary line.
but every hacker's born from need to learn, to grow, to code, to lead.
So wear your hat, but know your way, cause karma watches what scripts you play. NepHack out, now go slay the game. NepHack out, now go slay the game.